So it doesn't just stop at getting the equipment order in and making sure that you have the soak, but it's the details and letting the community and your customers know that you're here for them.
100%.
Yeah.
But I think I told you earlier, we actually own both car washes in this city as far as the self-serving inmate automatics. But we don't take that for granted. We want to make sure that we're delivering the best. We're not going to say that you just have to deal with what we're going to do. We want to make sure we are on our toes all the time, making sure the car washes meets or exceeds their expectations, and not, well, you have to deal with what you have here because this is all we're going to do.
Yeah.
No, we want to make sure, after talking to Mark, we're going to move the vending machine to the island over here or to the post to see if we can get a little bit more, action on it.
Yeah.
So I think you have to constantly be able to
Adapt.
to listen, learn, adapt, not be afraid to, try some new things. I think I've told y'all earlier, I said, I get more excited talking to new people in the industry because they don't know no.
Yeah.
They don't know, I've already tried that doesn't work. They don't know that.
Right. We wanted the customers to know that we were proud of this site and that we wanted to give them the best we want them to know that we gave them the best that we could for them to.
I think you did.
What has been your impression on the VFD system itself and how that feels and the experience that you get from that over what you had before?
Yeah, I think what I've noticed is just the speed of the chemical getting out there, and I think the feel for the customer.
Okay.
Changing the speed. They know something's different than the typical, air pump or electric pump, chemical being delivered. And so I like the coverage better. I think you just get better coverage. You get quicker. I think the customers kind of appreciate it because they actually can, do their tires quicker. And while the timer is actually counting up, they maybe see it as, hey, I'm actually getting this quicker. I'm getting around the car quicker. And maybe spend more time, slow it down a little bit and get, use it for the foam brush or brush their car or, y'all said earlier you had a guy here that triple foamed his whole
Rollback,
yeah. And so I think that's the thing that allows you to do is maybe to use your whole car wash.
So are you guys noticing that your customers are using more of the functions?
You said.
Right, as absolutely, and they have that time and they're getting that better experience. They're actually using the entire dial instead of picking and
100%.
Yeah, when the product's coming out and they're not going, oh, where's the product? Like they do it a lot of car washes.
You're waiting, for the changeover.
Yeah.
Yep. But maybe the anxiety's building
Yeah.
because of the time.
Washing a car should have no anxiety.
You're trying to make it a great experience, not you're trying to eliminate any type of anxiety.
So the unit itself, size-wise, if you had the older unit that was in here before, you guys said it took up a lot more space. I'm sure that it's made everybody's experience that's part of the team inside the equipment room much better, right?
You can keep it cleaner and it's more efficient inside here. Like Buddy said, he can walk around the unit if he has to look at something, service something. He's able to get around it.
Being able to get to everything without having to move things or lean an awkward way or try to squeeze
Or rip your jacket while you're trying to get behind it, yeah.
It's the little
way
thing.
more convenient.
To me, it's the little things that make the difference.
Yeah.
And I think this is a great little efficient unit. No question, this is what we're doing moving forward.
Well, let's talk a little bit about the G&G color wash that you put in. You guys went the whole way and did the edge lighting as well, right? You were trying to get that customer experience.
One of the best things about G&G is that you don't have to get on a computer, you don't have to come to the physical site to change anything. I can be in my car and they call me and say that they want some kind of light show change from rainbow to a different one or whatever, and I can just click one button on my phone and switch it to anything.
And I have it too. I mean, if you have a problem with a tube, they're all addressed so they can get on the phone with you.
Yep.
And check out that tube and they can see what it's
They can
doing.
see what it's doing. They'll show them what's on, what's off.
Yeah.
The customers love the lights from the road. I've already seen on the city pages on Facebook and everything, multiple people
Yeah.
have talked about how much they love the lights.
And now you're going to run them all day.
Is there anything that we didn't talk about, that we didn't highlight, that you guys are really proud of, that you think maybe we missed, or something that you really want to share with other car wash owners out there that you think is extremely important?
It's all the little things. It's the details. You know, this is an industrial city. Of course, you can hear the train. It's been here the whole time right behind us.
Yeah.
It's a switching station. And so we're getting a mural put on the back of the building here that we hope in the future will be a selfie, tag the car wash.
A little landmark kind of thing.
And is it going to bring any business? No, it's not going to bring you any business. But it kind of honors the city to let them know, hey, we're here. We're good. We're good for the community. You know, we're good partners. We're good stewards.
Well, guys, we greatly appreciate it. We greatly appreciate you sharing your wash and your reno with us and all of your years of experience.
Yeah, we appreciate everything.
We got a few more on the books, and we'll get those done too. So
Yep.
Yeah, awesome.
love it.